to Horizons, University of...
100 years ago. Say, we're just in time for the matinee. The sun. Today we're learning ways to harness its limitless energy. Habitats where people live and work. A living tribute to our richest resource, people.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, there's that guy again, look.
That's our daughter she's talking to. She's doing wonders out there on one of those desert farms. Wrote this myself. Like it. Good crowd.
I can hardly wait till little Michael starts getting involved in the fun. I can. I wanted to ask you, how's the new city?
Oh, look it over there.
Isn't it something? Send a city kid to college for 7 years and what happens? She becomes a farmer.
Oh, I think agricultural engineer is a little more like it.
Okay, with me, I'll take the city.
Yes, it's always exciting.
But hey, look at that, will you? A few years ago, this was all barren desert. No crops, no irrigation. Quite a transformation.
Thanks for the warning. All harvesters, suspend irrigation programs. Harvester 6, continue transport functions, then hold for further instructions. Standby number 4, crop transport.
You know, this really makes me proud.
And you wanted her to go to law school.
But do you suppose they ever miss the fun of the city? Come on.
No, just candles. Birthday.
My folks will be here and some relatives too.
No.
Well, it's just that you're late for everything else.
Whoa, tell the truth. When was the last time I was late for dinner?
Just candles.
Last Saturday night.
Yeah, well, that was very usual.
Yeah, I know about those laser locks too.
That's maybe you know anything about laser locks.
You know, you might just check that pin servo too.
Pin servo?
Come on, kids. Underwater safety's no joke. Scott?
Yes?
Rules.
Stay in your group, keep your buddy in sight, always check your gill apparatus for recirculation. How often? Every 10 minutes. Or more often. Hey, you're old.
And under the marine agriculture, all sorts of marine mining, fuels, energy,
And fun. You know, fun.
I'm serious.
Just all around. Floating cities have opened up whole new ways for people to enjoy their lives, as well as their work.
The octopus? The octopus.
We just stopped for a few minutes and checked our gills. You would take a break soon.
As well as being valuable for desert irrigation. As for kelp, saline,
Keep filming this.
Don't worry about me. Just worry about the detection. When you're ready, you want to come out there as soon as he manages to get your shoe. What about Colby?
I'd love to show some of that.
Mongolian's fine.
materials from space, all kinds of industries back on Earth.
They get up very late. But you can still grab the night flyers. You know, right here.